Hey friends! So guys, this is going to be a fun one. It's kind of like bingo, but we are going to do alphabet sound bingo, okay? So we're listening for that first sound that you hear, all right? And you will need this paper and a marker, okay? So I'll give you time. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to go ahead and get those materials out. All right, guys, let's go over everything that's on this paper. Can you point to the butterfly? Do you hear that first B sound? So let's see. When I hold up the letter B, you got to find all the ones that start with a B sound, okay? So butterfly. Remember, if you don't know, I've taught you how to stretch out that word like a rubber band. Okay, you got to stretch out that word and say it really slow and stop when you hear that first sound, okay? So let's try butterfly just one time and then we'll keep going. Ready? Butterfly. One more time and stop when you hear that B sound. Ready? There it is, that B sound. All right, the next one is an apple. Apple. Oh, I heard a different sound, didn't you? Ah. What letter says ah? A. All right, and then we have cow and elephant. And this one's hard to see, but it's a dog. Fire, duck, ball, fish, astronaut, car, and egg. Okay? So, I'm going, just like bingo, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna hold up a letter and I'm gonna say, do you anybody have that sound? And you're gonna use a marker. I chose red because, you know, Valentine's Day and all. All right, so I've got a marker to use with mine. So if I say B and you see that butterfly, then you get that marker out and you can color it in or you can cross it out, anything you want to do. You can even use bears if you want to cover it. But this is just easier because after you find the B ones, then you're going to write the letter B down here. All right, so let's get started. All right, ready? Letter C. All right, what does the letter C say? Do you want to see the letter C? There it is. All right, letter C says K. Remember our Alpha Motion song? Alpha Motion, C, C, can opener, K, K. Okay, so did y'all find some C sounds on your paper? All right, try to say each one of those words really slow. Parents, you can pause it right here and give them a chance to find that C word, okay? There are going to be 2 C words. 2 C words. Did you find them, guys? Keep trying if you haven't found it. Good, look. Cow. K-ow. I heard that C sound when I stretched it out. Cow. So I'm going to color my cow in. Okay? All right, we have one more C word, and it's on the bottom row. All right, which one says K at the beginning? Egg, car, or astronaut? Oh, yeah, you're right. I heard car. So I'm going to color in my car. Or you can color in the whole heart if you want to. And my marker is running out. This cart sure needs a new marker. All right, so see? We found the letter C sounds. Great job. All right, one last thing. On the bottom, I want you to draw, where's my letter C? I want you to write the letter C, okay? It's almost like doing a circle, but you have to leave a little bit open right there, okay? All right, go ahead. Write your letter C. Oh, there we go. There's our letter C. All right, y'all ready for the next one? All right. Let's see. All right, here we go. Letter A. A says ah, and A says A. Remember, it's our vowel, and the vowels have two sounds, and they're trying to trick us, but they won't trick us. So stretch out some words and find the letter A sound, okay? Alpha motion, A, short A, ah, ah. All right, go through those pictures and just say them really slow and try to find that A sound, okay? And then I'll come back and help you. I'm gonna switch my marker really quick. All right, guys, I think you've tried to find them already. If not, you can pause the video before I tell you the answer if you want to keep on trying. All right, we have butterfly or apple. Which one has the ah in front of it? Good job, apple. All right, color in that apple heart. All right, the next one, we have one more. It's on the bottom row. We have egg, astronaut, fish. Which one of those do you hear ah at the beginning? Good job, astronaut. Color in that astronaut. Look at you sounding your words out. This is going to help you read for kindergarten. All right, so on the bottom, I want you to write that A, okay? Look at that A. It's a tall mountain, straight up and straight down, and then do a bridge in between, okay? 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. All right, go ahead. Write your capital A, up, down, and cross. All right, we got our C and our A that we've already done. Awesome job. All right, let's go to the next one. If you're not done, you can pause it. All right, here, letter F. All right, what does F say? See how I'm blowing air through my front teeth? Alpha motion, F, F. Fizz and fire, Oh, did we see a fire on here? Did I just give y'all an answer? Oh, I did. Look. Elephant, dog, fire. Do you hear when you say that fire word that you're pushing out the air? All right, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and color that fire in. And remember, there's one more on the bottom. Look at that. All right, we have duck, ball, or fish. Y'all are getting good at this. You're right, it's the fish. Go ahead, color in your fish. And then what do we do next? All right, we're going to write our F. This is another 3 lines. Ready? You go all the way down and one at the top and one right there in the middle, okay? Let's write your F. All the way down, one at the top and one in the middle. Good job. Yay, we've done 3 letters so far. You've used your brain to sound those words out. All right, so the next one is letter E. Okay, let's sing our alpha motion song. Ready? Alpha motion, E, E, short E, eh, eh. Like you're trying to hear something and you're like, huh? What'd you say? So, eh, and E says E. Remember, it's a vowel. E says E, and E says eh. All right, let's find those E words. All right, let's see. We have 3 more on the top. Let's say them. Butterfly, elephant, dog. Which one of those has that eh in the beginning of it? You're right. Right there. Ding, 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 ding. All right, color in your elephant. Great job, friends. Y'all are getting so good at this. All right, and remember there's one on the bottom. Okay, we have duck, ball, and egg. Which one? Did you hear that eh sound? Yeah, remember that was in our letter E box. Good job. Go ahead and color in your egg. All right, so what do we do next? Yeah, we write the letter E. That kind of looks like our letter F. Look at that. But instead, the letter F doesn't have the bottom one. All right, so here we go. We go line down and 1, 2, 3. Okay, one at the top, one at the bottom, and one in the middle. All right, go ahead and write your E at the bottom. Here we go. Look at that E. All right, good job. All right, we got 2 more letters and then we're all done. All right. B. B, we have a letter B. So let's do our alpha motion song, okay? Alpha motion, B, B. Bouncing ball, buh, buh. Good job. All right, so we have, let's see, we only have 2 up at the top. Butterfly and dog. Which one did you hear the B sound in front of? Dog or butterfly? Yeah, you're right, butterfly. All right, let's color that one in. All right, the next one is on the bottom row. We have only 2, so it's gonna get easy. Duck and ball. Stretch them out if you don't know. Duck. Stretch them out, it means it's just saying it really slow. Or ball. Good job. Color in your ball. All right, and then we're gonna write that letter B at the bottom. And look how we write the letter B. You go all the way down, and a belly at the top, and a belly at the bottom. Okay? So go ahead and write your B at the bottom. A belly at the top and a belly at the bottom. All right, our last one. D. Let's sing our alpha motion song. Ready? Alpha motion, D, D. Dizzy duck, duh, duh. Okay, do y'all hear any D sounds that we have left? Oh, look at those 2 D words. What are they, guys? You're right. Look. D, d, dog, and d, d, duck. Yay. So we can go ahead and color those 2 in. All right, go ahead. Color, color, color. Try to stay in those lines if you're coloring the whole heart like me. And then at the bottom, we're going to write our last letter. Okay, you're going to go down and a big belly. Okay, look, you're going to start at the top and you're going to end at the bottom. So all the way to the bottom. All right, go ahead and write your D. A line down and a big belly. Big belly. There it is. Yay! Did we get all? What can we say now that we have all of them colored? Bingo! Bingo, bingo, bingo. Bingo. Sound bingo, guys. You guys, this is awesome. I'm so proud of you. I'm sorry I can't be with you in person, but this is a fun activity. And you guys are so, so smart and getting ready for kindergarten, okay? So practice those sounds, okay? Practice all of those sounds that we've been practicing for the last couple of weeks. K, A, F, E, B, and D. Okay? All right, heart hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye. Bye, guys. I'm so, so proud of you.